So I'm a little sick, obviously. I look like a mess right now because I have a cold, plus I just got out of work. There's that. I also went to McDonald's before getting home. Hey friends, it's Gabby. I'm back here in front of you, and today I'll be doing a quick little makeup tutorial for you guys. Honestly, this is just me trying to put on makeup because I don't really put a lot of makeup on my face. I recently got into the makeup world and started to put on makeup. I just got out of work a few hours ago, so I still have the makeup on. I'm gonna take it off. Just a disclaimer, I do not know how to put on makeup as much. This might be a little cringy. Anyway, let's get started. So right now my bangs are a little flat. So I'm gonna curl them with these babies. I feel really bad that I'm filming while I'm sick. I really hate filming while I'm sick, but you know, I really wanted to put this up. Now that those are done, I'm gonna take off the leftover eye makeup that I have. Now I'm gonna prep my face with some Badescu facial spray and some moisturizer. This cold weather is messing my skin up. Okay, so we're done with moisturizing. Now we gotta prep our face with the Heimish, is it Heimish or Heimish? Heimish Artless Glow Base. Basically a primer, 5:46 in the afternoon, so I don't need to put on sunscreen anymore. Also, I forgot, this is like a talk through, get ready with me obviously. Last thing to do before I start the actual thing is to put on chapstick. Instead of putting on this first, I'll put this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer first, because this is my go-to. Oh wait, ooh. Didn't see that, sorry. Here we go. Put a big triangle under my eyes. Let's get rid of the blemishes that I have today. Like I said, I don't usually do this. For the most part, I just conceal my under eyes. But today is a special day, aka a filming day. I believe this one's from Ecotools. I got it for like $3 for highlight and contour, but I don't do contour. I don't know if I'm doing this right, honestly, but I think it's okay. The dry patches are showing a little bit. This is why I don't put on like actual makeup on this part of my face. I only put it like until here. We're done with concealer. Let's move on to foundation. I don't really use foundation because I prefer the natural color of my skin. Can someone tell me if I'm doing this right? Honestly, I look older when I have makeup on, which is why I don't put makeup that often. Yeah, I think that's done. Oh, I look so ugly. I don't usually set my makeup, so I'm gonna let it be. And we're gonna move straight to our eyes. The eyeshadow that I use is this from, I don't know, I think this is Etude. It's from the Philippines. It's called the Eyecatchers in the shades of Garnett. I don't know where this came from, but these are the shades. First thing I do is either spray it with this thing or spray the brush with this thing. So the clip got cut off, but basically I'm gonna use the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. I just bought it and I kind of want to try it. This is my mom's. I'm gonna first grab this color. It doesn't have a name really, and put it all over my eyelid. Usually I mix and match and like experiment because it is like one of my first times to use makeup. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna use this and this shade on my crease. I'll do this one first and then this one. I hope I'm doing well in this challenge because I don't know. So far I kind of like it, you know? And let's do the darker shade. I don't know if I'm putting a little too much, but sorry. And finally, with this brush from Etude, we put this shade right here to like make it look like an eyeliner, because I don't put eyeliner on the actual eyelid. I usually do this kind of thing. So I'm almost done with that my eye look. So I'm gonna use this shade because I haven't used it yet on the center. And also right here. Put a little bit here. I don't think it's doing a lot. So I'm done with this palette. Let's move on to this thing, which is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Glow Illuminator in Rose, and I'm gonna put it right on my eyelid and also here because I think the light color from the palette didn't do a lot. Tap it. I think that's okay. I'm gonna put some right on my nose. And I'm gonna blend it a little more, like the edges, because I don't think I didn't. I think I didn't blend it that well. I don't know if I like it or not, but it looks kind of too much. Moving on to the eyeliner, my favorite. Line the waterline. I don't do a lot of it because it makes my eyes water. I messed up, but I think I can make it work. That's so funny. I just said I do pretty well, but no. Not all the time, but I do better on this side than the other side. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Revlon Colorstay. This one smudges really easily, and that's a pro and a con. Sometimes it doesn't like put a lot of product, and I think I'm done with that one side. This side looks a lot better, I think. This side. Either way, they both suck. I don't know if I fixed it or if I made it worse. You be the judge, you guys. I'm gonna stop because it's gonna look worse than that if I do more. I'm done with my eyes. I'm gonna move on to the eyebrows. I'm using the e.l.f. brow pencil. I think this is dark brown. Pretty much I just underline it. I use the spoolie side to brush just to make my eyebrows like a lot fuller. And we're done. Following that is the highlight. I usually use my fingers. Other times I use a brush, but today fingers are fine. And I just tap it like that. On the high points of my face, I guess. It's a lot subtle compared to other highlighters that I've seen. And we're almost done. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. I know I said I don't contour, but I'm gonna use a brow pencil to just like line it like that to make my nose a little taller. I have a flat nose. I think it did a bit. Anyway, I'll just blend it out with my pinky. The camera like shut down, so I don't know how far I went. But yeah, basically I used this lip tint to put color on my lips, and I'm gonna use it as blush too. It usually depends on how much I get. So, oh, I put a lot. Oh, I think I put on too much. Put on another layer on the other side. Oh, I think I put on too much blush. So I'm gonna conceal that a little bit because I don't like it. I don't like it when there's too much blush. So let's fix that a little. Oh, I forgot that to curl my eyelashes, I don't put on mascara. So that is the end of the look. Let's see. This is okay lang. Mami, huwag ako video. Huwag mo ako video.
Ay, sorry.
Ay, Nicole. I can't do the slow-mo, sorry. So this is my final look. I don't know if I like it or not. I think I would do this every day if I didn't put on the foundation, because this is usually the look I go for. I hope you guys like it because I kind of do, but at the same time the foundation just makes me look a little weird. Anyway, I'm really sorry that I'm really sick today and I still decided to film this because I really wanted to make this video for you guys. I hope you also enjoyed me experimenting how to put on makeup, because I've been practicing for like 3 weeks straight and I think I'm getting better at it. I will also link the products right down below, so if you want to know more about them, I'll surely just put it there. And yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gabby. I'm a 16-year-old YouTuber that lives in the US who makes fashion, lifestyle, beauty, travel, and probably K-pop videos or something. And yeah, it wouldn't hurt to subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed yet, it's probably down below, probably red. And yeah, anyway, I gotta go head out and eat dinner, and may your day be as bright as the sun. Bye! 거칠은 폭풍 뒤 햇살 비치듯이 Life